Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find saved passwords on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have simply saved your password in iPhone while creating an account and any kind of login. So if you want to find that saved password, so how you can get that, for this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection, and after that you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general. You have to scroll it down and you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings, and after resetting all of your network settings you have to simply go back. Now you can see that there is an app named passwords on your iPhone iOS 18. So if you save your password on iPhone, then all the password will be saved here. So here you have to simply open the passwords app on your iPhone and make sure that your Face ID is working properly, and after that you can simply find all the passwords saved on your iPhone. So here you can simply find there are 9 overall password and 1 passkey, and there are security risk for 5 accounts. Moreover, you can also find Wi-Fi passwords connected to your device. So this way you can simply find all the details here. Moreover, if you want to add a new password, then you can simply click on here. You can simply add the website name, or you can add username and password, and also make sure you can simply add a note from here. So in this way you can simply add a new password. So here option is available, shared groups, which means if you share password between different accounts, then there are also shown on that. So in this way you can simply find all the saved password on your iPhone iOS 18 without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.